guys, it's me Aarjav. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be doing CANVA and InShot. So I will be reviewing both these apps. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. By the way, thank you for 50 subscribers. And we have also a confusion that is solved. My channel name is now Aarjav Shroff. Let's get started with this video. Okay guys, so first let's talk about InShot. So, available on iOS and Android devices, InShot app is an all-in-one visual content editing app. It allows you to create videos, edit photos and create image collages. Best for creating basic videos, collages and photo edits. Guys, InShot is very cool. You can create collages, videos, photos, you can edit photos with text and all the different features. So yes guys, if you want to know all these features, go refer to my previous video how to edit a video on InShot. So now guys, I will be showing InShot ratings on the Play Store on the screen. Guys, so this is rated by 4.8 people out of 5 and people using this are 9,285,792. So guys, the part I like about InShot is that it has many features. It has the text features and you can share it on any app, YouTube, email, then you can also share it on WhatsApp according to how long the video is. It has many cool effects also and you can put many GIFs on the screen. You can also edit different types of photos and make your own photo collage and you can gather the photos in your gallery. So guys, InShot is a very good app for editing videos. Many of my videos have also been edited on InShot, so I recommend you to use this app as it's easy to function. Guys, and the link of InShot will be in the description, so don't forget to check it out. So let's go ahead. Okay guys, now I'll be explaining about CANVA. So CANVA is a really impressive suite of graphic design tools available on the web as well as Android and iOS. You can use it to create a whole host of different types of products, from newsletters to social media posts, and it's particularly friendly towards beginners. So CANVA is very easy also to function, just like InShot. In CANVA, you get way more options than InShot to make things, like you can make an Instagram post, Facebook post, and you actually get it in the exact size. So an Instagram post, if it's a square, so you get the exact centimeter and everything measured already made. And you can also make a presentation, a video, you can make a lot more. So guys, I am not comparing any of these apps. You can use both of them because they are both very cool. So in CANVA, there are many features like text. And CANVA, one part I really like is that it has elements. So if you want a square on your screen, or if you want a circle, or any GIF, or any upload, or any video, or anything, then it's the best app to use. So the elements are very easy to use. You can select one of them and they will appear on your screen. Then you can also add music. And guys, for a few things that you have to use CANVA Pro. So in CANVA Pro you have to pay. But for now, let's just talk about the normal CANVA. In normal CANVA, when you want to insert videos, and if you don't have saved videos in your computer or in your mobile phone, then an easy way is to go in videos or images and search up the topic you want. So supposing I go on CANVA in images or videos and I search up Taj Mahal, I'll get a video or a drone shot or anything about Taj Mahal, which you can also select. The logos of crown means that it's CANVA Pro, and the logo that says free means it's free. So this app has no confusion about anything. So now let's put the ratings of CANVA on the Play Store on the screen. Okay guys, so this is rated by 4.6 people out of 5 and this is used by 4,515,122 people. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and the link for both the apps are in the description. These both apps are very good, so hope you guys use it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!